Hey guys, how's it going? Hope everybody's doing well out there today. This is kind of just a little quick, hopefully quick vlog, just to give you guys an update on the channel and that sort of thing. So over the last couple of years, the channel's done pretty well compared to the way it was doing before. I actually just posted a thing here recently showing the growth over the last few years of the channel. And we're averaging about a thousand new subscribers a month, give or take. And I'm thrilled with that. The idea of growing super quickly, like I see a lot of channels do, just honestly terrifies me. So to see the channel continue to grow as it does day after day, month after month, and of course over the last couple of years, really does make me happy and makes me want to keep doing this. And because of you guys watching the content regularly and interacting with the content and that sort of thing, it's really given me the chance to work with some brands who have been able to help me out to help keep the channel growing even more. So right now I am sitting in basically an old bedroom. Well, not an old bedroom. So it used to be a garage that I converted into a bedroom that was supposed to be very temporary, and then it ended up being a storage space, and then I got it converted back to a bedroom, and it got converted back. So it's been through some stuff over the last few years, and I finally decided that it was time to take over the space and turning it into a dedicated recording studio. And the reason for that is because I want to keep making more content. I want to make better content. I want to focus more on better content than more content at this point. One of the issues that I have, or that I still have, that I've encountered, is that all of the videos that you watch that I've recorded are recorded in my living room, and unfortunately, because of the way our house is set up, in order for somebody to get to the bathroom or to the, from the kitchen to the bathroom, or from the bathroom to bedroom, or from the bedroom to anyway, in order to get basically anywhere in my house, you have to walk behind me, and that really kind of stifles movement in my house when I'm recording videos. So I try to make a conscious effort to know the content well enough to get it recorded as quickly and expeditiously as possible to keep my family from being inconvenienced while I'm recording. So here recently, this space was kind of, we talked to the wife about it a little bit, and we decided that that it would make more sense for everybody if this space was a dedicated recording space. And that's kind of what I want to show you in this video. Now, keep in mind that it is very, very rough right now. The walls are not, I mean, they're fine, but they need to be repainted. I don't like the light pink or whatever the hell this is. So these are going to get a different color, and I would love to know what colors you guys would like to see in the background of my upcoming videos when this space is ready. For the last however long, the vibrant orange has been in the background of my videos, and I don't know if I want to keep that or if I want to go, like a storm cloud blue gray, or if I want to go dark gray, or I don't know what I want to do, but I'd love to hear from you guys, kind of what your thoughts are, what you'd like to see back here, because this wall right here it will be the backdrop of my videos. In fact, so will the couch that I'm sitting on. In fact, it's a black leather-ish couch, but no, it is not a casting couch. So get your mind out of the gutter with that. So I'm part of this is because I thought maybe you guys would be interested in the transition that the channel is about to take as far as the recording space, and now I will have more. I'll have the resources because of the dedicated space. I'll be able to spend more time recording videos and making sure that I'm not rushing through things to try to get content out on a regular basis. I'll have more time where I won't have to hold my family hostage, so to speak, to keep them from moving through the house while I'm recording. So that's kind of what this is. It's just kind of talking about this new space. So let's turn some things around here. Let's see here. All right, so that wall with the hole in it over there, where all of this stuff is, that's the wall where my new desk is going to go. It should hopefully be here tomorrow, and I'll be able to get that set up over there in that space. And then on top of that, of course, my laptop will go there. The folks over at Tuxedo Computers sent over a laptop for me to test out. Hopefully I'll be keeping that and using it moving forward for videos. And then I've got a Lenovo 4K display that will also go there as well, so that we can keep the 4K resolution going with the new setup. Of course, I don't want to downgrade the video resolution if I'm upgrading my space. So desk is going to go right there, as well as monitor, laptop, lights, camera, all of that will go there. All of the stuff that's there now will get moved. That's just storage from other stuff I've reviewed in the past. And that wall is kind of a light gray. I don't know that it's really going to matter. I think I'm going to put some sound dampening material on that. I don't know what I'm going to use just yet. I don't know that I want to use the squares that everybody uses. I don't know. I don't like that aesthetic very much. So I'm actually thinking of trying to figure something else out. If you guys have got ideas, I'd love to know what your ideas are for helping to trap some of the echo, because obviously there's a lot of echo going on right now. So above that, there's a little TV. I will probably put a bigger TV there for whatever reason. And yeah, so desk and everything will go right there. I'll have to put some decorations up. I mean, I don't have to. I will. I want to put decorations up. So let's stand up here. So like I said, desk there, that's good. And then right there's the entrance. I may frame that door more better. Like my English is good. So that's kind of the entryway into here. And then there's a closet over here. That was obviously that's a futon mattress that I just stood up to get it out of the way. A little space heater, because it's January in Colorado, and despite us having 60-degree days in December and January, we've also had some sub-zero days here recently, or close to sub-zero. Anyway, so space heater sitting on an IKEA chair, just for the time being. Again, another futon, black leather futon, again, not casting couch futon. We've got a lamp back there. That lamp will probably stay there. In fact, I think it's been in the back of my videos before. Another lamp, another shelf. That shelf is going to go. It's garbage. It's absolute trash. I've had it forever, and it's literally falling apart. And of course, laminate, garbage, hardwoodish floors, and then a door out into another area. So this is it. It's like a 10 by 10 by 12 kind of space here. Nothing huge, but it will give me a dedicated space where I can record without having to, like I said, keep my family from moving around, and they can be as noisy as they want and do what they're going to do while I'm out here recording. So like I said, this wall right here behind the couch, like I'm basically right now I am standing where my desk will be, and this will more or less be the background. So I'd like to hear from you guys what color you'd like to see back here, and that sort of thing. Of course, I think that lamp will stay, but I need a backdrop color. I need some ideas for decorations. I've got some ideas for some decorations, some stuff actually I found on Etsy that I think will look really good back there. But of course, I'm not the one that has to look at it. I'll be the one making the content. You'll be consuming it. So I'd like to know what you guys think should be back here. And then again, if you got ideas for sound, echo removal, whatever, for putting on the walls and capturing or blocking out the echoes, I'd love to hear that, because that is not my strong suit at all. But like I said, I'll be sitting basically right here after I get some of these repairs done and everything there. So I'll be sitting here. You guys will be looking at my dumb face and that wall. So let me know what you want to see there. And again, like I said, I want to say thank you to you guys. If it wasn't for you guys watching the content regularly, these brands wouldn't be interested in working with me. So I really do want to say thank you to you guys for helping me grow the channel to where it is, to continue to grow it. Who knows how far, but it's because of you guys that I've now got the resources to be able to build up this custom space, so I can put out better content and hopefully provide you guys with some better resources for your self-hosting needs and that sort of thing. But I think that kind of covers everything I wanted to say here. I will be probably documenting this whole process as I'm doing it, of course. So this will be the first of the new studio vlogs. So if you're interested, definitely let me know. Hit the thumbs up button. Leave comments down below, letting me know what your thoughts are for colors and decorations and sound absorbing materials and things like that. But I think with that said, I'm going to let you guys go. So thanks for your time. I always appreciate your support, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.